starting with alphabets, it's important to practice basic strokes, which is the foundation of your calligraphy. Hey guys, my name is Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about basic strokes for brush lettering and how to practice them. So you can use any brush pen that you have. I am using Tombow Fusion Isuki hard tip brush pen and JK Siddhar printing sheets. There are tons of practice pads that you can purchase online or even get them printed. I will link some of them for you in the description box below. First, let's start with upstroke. Here we are applying least amount of pressure while taking the stroke upwards. Try practicing them in a single line to see whether your strokes are similar to each other or not. Next comes downstroke. We start from the top, start applying pressure and then go all the way down with the same amount of pressure and then release the pressure in the bottom. Then comes overturn, where you start with light upstroke and transition into applying pressure and then thick downstroke. Next we have underturn, where you start with thick downstroke, then transition into releasing pressure and then thin upstroke. Then comes oval, where you start with 2 o'clock with thin stroke and then transition into applying pressure, then again releasing the pressure to join the stroke. Compound curve is the combination of underturn and overturn, where you start with thin upstroke, transition into applying pressure and then release pressure to form upstroke. Then comes ascending loop. We start with thin upstroke, transition to form thick downstroke. descending loop where we start with thick downstroke, transition into releasing pressure, and then thin upstroke. So these were your basic strokes and how to practice them. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell notification to get notified as soon as I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.